that I will become one of elite people in the fraternity. Becoming a governor is a very big task. Yesterday, probably my wife recognizing me or napapansin niya ako. For the last 2 weeks, I am not at my very self. Because I'm thinking a lot. I'm thinking a lot of things and preparing my mind a lot of future projects that will help, especially the members and of course those people who are in dire need of something. To the ENPP na nauna na po, umalis na yung mga schedule pa. Those people here who considered my second father, actually third, fourth, whatsoever. I have with me, of course, the father of Sandigan, the founder of everything, the very reason I am now a governor because of his leadership. Kuya Don Rodas. Of course, the Deputy Secretary General for Central Luzon, Kuya Angelico. And of course, the father of Amian Coalition, my 27th father, my daddy, Gov. Elimer Katabay, my second daddy who always brings me to Hong Kong, nang dahil po sa nila kapag abroad ako, Kuya Samson Gigiribo. Because before I'm one of his advisor, now he's one of my advisors. Balik-balik lang. Of course, with the support, the unending support of the Governor of NCR 16, my mentor when I became an eagle, became a field director, and now a governor. Kuya, are you my brother? Kuya Bort, Ronaldo Borja Jr., and of course to our Kuya field director. As recalling, we were in Aberdeen in 2023 when we are trying to apply for regional housing director. Kuya Ibo, my fellow PD, my brother, Kuya Ibo Nicano, we were field directors before na talagang never in my wildest dream na makakarating kami sa ganitong level. Di ba mga kuya? With, of course, yung nakababa na akong kapatid si Kuya Ray, dahil tagal na bata pa po siya, pati height. Kuya Ray de la Cruz, our fellow PD, and one of the, I should say, a true brother to me. And of course, to the people, to the members, to all Kuya who trusted in my leadership. Si LRA members, please all stand. Tumayo po kayo mga Kuya. Thank you for your trust. I will not promise, but I will work hand in hand with you. Okay, you may take your seat. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga malakas na members. Headed by our Regional Vice Governor, Kuya Henry Paul Pascual. Sa akin pong mga presidente masisipag, no, na hindi ako nai-stress dahil nandiyan sila. Kuya Ryan Tong of Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. Kuya Ryan. Kuya Nino Garcia. Kuya Ate Ingrid. Ano yung natutukan niya ako inaasar? Of course, ang mother club po ng region, si Kuya Arnold Surman. Thank you so much. At sa mga kuya ko po from NCR 16, kay Kuya Pres Jerry, at kay Kuya Pres Leonard. And of course, ito pong pagiging governor ay hindi po madaling gawain. No? Probably my work in the media and of course in Radyo Maria prepares me a lot and guides me in decision making and loving my fraternity. Sa edad ko po, I always consider and always care for others. Madalas po kami ni ate, napapagalitan ako dahil mas umuuna ko yung iba kaysa sa sarili kong kapakanan. While my brothers are giving me a legal handshake, I embrace them all, reminding them that di man na sayang, I am not that strong, but I need their support, their guidance, and of course their prayers for me to judiciously exercise all that is best for this region. CLR 81 is a family. CLR 81 is a community. And rest assured, my fellow CLR 81 members, that our regional officers and your respective club will render services that will benefit members and the many people we are here to help and to guide. Without this woman, wala po ako dito. I still remember in 2020 when I asked her if I could join the first fraternity that I'll be joining. Ang sabi niya, basta't makakatulong sa'yo at makakabuti sa'yo, go on. To my wife, please stand, my wife, my very good mother. Siya po ang aking life in every decision I do. When I was told that I will become a governor, I told her, ayaw ko. Alam niyo pong sinagot niya sa akin? Sabi niya, you are a leader. Lead the people who want you to become one of those. Kaya, Mama, thank you so much. Thank you for everything. At sa original batch na kasama ko po na nandito, no? Frutic Canteen, ang taong ito po, hindi kami naghiwalay kahit anong mangyari. Kuya Albert, thank you so much, Kuya. Siya po ang unang naging kasama ko na ako po'y naglalakbay para maging natin. Kaya, very thankful ako kahit na busy po kami dalawa, still, andyan po siya para sa akin. To my former and now my kuya na kasama ko ever since, thank you so much po sa inyo. Sa lahat ng nag-effort for this region to stand and be created, maraming salamat mga kuya. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, kayo ang maglinig, pero akong nasa harap ko. I will stand by you in everything. And we are so blessed kasi kaka-install pa lang natin, may charity na agad tayo. Our prayer duty promise us a food packs na ipamimigay po natin sa ating mga kasalanta sa Baguio. The regional care headed by our regional vice governor will prepare and plan for our future charities. While reflecting po kanina sa mga nangyayari, there's nothing I could say but thank the Lord God for giving me the chance to be where I am right now. But rest assured that your Kuya Marcel will remain flat-footed and anchored on the four pillars of our fraternity. CLR 81, magtrabaho tayo. CLR 81, marami tayong gagawin. Para magawa natin yan, palakasin natin, pagtibayin natin ang alalayang agila sa bawat isa. Again, good afternoon. Thank you so much. Apoyan na! Thank you. Be ready?